Mami Rocky, can you hear me?
Yes po.
Okidoki. Ginawa kitong co-host, pa-accept na lang. Sa work kasi yan si Kix eh.
Sige po.
Okay. Alright. Wait. Mali yata yung slide ko. Hello team. Sinong online? Can I see your faces, guys?
Hello
Hey
po, Miss Na.
Liz, kamusta?
Okay
Yeah.
lang.
Okay.
Laban pa rin.
Mami Rocky, Jamila. Si Jamila. Jamila, di ka pa natutulog? Oh, kagigising lang. Mami MJ, you're here. Okay, sige. Start na tayo since matutulog pa lang po. Okay. You can watch the recording naman, Jamila, if you want, since we are recording this. Okay, so welcome everyone sa ating session. This is going to be a private session on where I am going to share my process in content creation. So I'll be covering content creation. Let me share my slides here. Oops, sorry. I'm going to share the content creation process, and I will cover images, written content, and video content. No, so this is going to be a lot, and it's good, guys, that we understand first yung principles, and then later on I will demonstrate and I will show how I integrate from this, basic foundational processes and principles into incorporating AI tools. So I'm gonna share my screen. This content creation process that I'm showing you is you have to think that this is like a work in progress, because ChatGPT is evolving really fast, and but the foundational processes is the most important thing. If it is, kapag sinabi nating foundational process, it's not changing. Kahit baligtarin, kahit anong content, tools ang gagawin, the same process is implemented. That's why when you're studying something, or let's say you are honing a particular skill for a particular niche, the foundational skills or the foundational process should be nailed first. You don't just learn tactics, because tactics are always changing. And especially with this AI technology, tactics are rapidly, being phased out. That's why I think 90% of the courses that were created like 5 months ago are already obsolete, and it's just a waste of money and time and effort. But if you are studying foundational principles, that will guide you kahit pa anong mangyari, right? I'm not saying foundational processes or principles doesn't change, but it will guide you on how to tackle new processes. So I hope this makes sense. Sa pag-aaral na ginagawa ninyo, you have to identify ano dito yung foundational principles na kahit kailan hindi magbabago. Do I understand it? Am I capable of evaluating my processes, my resources, my skills and capabilities and tools on how can I apply my learning or apply it for a particular situation. So I know I'm talking abstract here and theoretical, but I want you to dig deep on what I'm saying. The reason being is a lot of people will tell you that you have to buy this course, you have to learn this skill, you have to learn this tool, you have to buy this tool. But if you do not know the foundational process, you won't be able to identify if it is, or you won't be able to evaluate if this is actually a good skill to learn o mafe-phase out na ba to pagkatapos ng may ma-invent na AI tool regarding this, or kapag ka hindi natin alam yon, yung hindi din natin may evaluate kung etong course na ba to is it really beneficial for me, or is this job or is this company is actually relevant to me right now, because um there are myths about maraming aalising work dahil maraming mawawalan ng trabaho because of AI. And that there's truth in that, but it's a half truth only. Just like how internet was discovered, just like how, industrialization, invented, nawala ng maraming work yung maraming tao, but it generated opportunities for other people. And it helped streamline the processes na nakakatulong sa mga businesses. So, understanding the foundational principles on your skills, on your niche, on the industry, and for a particular task, just like what we're going to discuss here, content creation process, kailangan alam nyo yung foundational process and foundational principles, or like yung pinaka overview, right? I'm going to share with you practical tips na ginagawa ko every time I create content. I'm going to cover written, image, and video. So expect nyo that this is going to be broad, okay? And this process may change depende sa tools na meron kayo, but it's the same process then, okay? For this tutorial purposes, I will not I will have you ask your questions. So yung questions nyo, write it down sa chat natin, and then I will address it after the actual tutorial, okay? All right, so how do you start the content creation, whether it's video content, video, written content, or images? First is you need to have a raw file. You have to clean up and get the main point. This is particularly, I'll be providing the slides so you don't need to copy everything. I need you guys to focus. All right. And I need you to think. I need you to formulate. I need everyone go on mute, please. So what I need you to do during the discussion is I need you to think of questions, not just listening. Whenever you are listening to someone na nagtuturo, always have the intention to ask questions, because it engages you. You're not just passively, getting information or absorbing information, but you are engaging your mind to think. Okay? This is, I want to ponder on this. Parang, syempre naman lang, mag-iisip talaga kami. I mean, it's like a basic thing na bakit ko pa in-emphasize. That's because, with the AI, maybe some of you are already, using AI sa work ninyo, but I want you to have a different perspective when it comes to using AIs. You still have to make sure that it is your brain that is it is your brain na nagre-rely si AI and you do not rely to AI. Hindi yung kabaligtaran. Yung utak nyo, yung strategy nyo, yung critical thinking skills nyo, dun dapat nakarely si AI, not the other way around. If you are using AI and you are totally dependent sa mga ibinibigay ni AI, then it is paralyzing your creative thinking, your critical thinking skills. Doon nasisira. Doon yung sinasabi nila na gagawing bobo yung humans, right? But if you are being very intentional and smart in using AI tools, you won't get stagnant. Your creative thinking skills won't get stagnant. So I need you to observe. I need you to understand, ask questions, evaluate, and really engage your thinking, your critical thinking skills, your creative thinking skills. All right. So how do you start is you have to have like starting point, raw files or whatever files that you have for your client. If it's a video, maybe it's a recorded video na you need to clean up, you need to polish, you need to transcribe or whatever. But the main goal is you need to get the point, the whole point of what that content is all about. You don't rely on AI to get the main point, but you can use AI for you to gather the main point. I use this specifically with my client na financial technology and alternative lending. So zero knowledge ako about it. So I am using AI to help me think what this topic or what this video is, what the client is talking about in his video. So you don't rely on AI to understand the main point, but you get assistance from AI for you to gather the necessary information that you need. All right. As you can see, or you will notice all throughout this discussion, I am telling you the role of the AI and the important role of human, ikaw, as you create content. Kasi if your content is purely generated by AI, wag mong asahan that people will love it. There should still be human touch with your content. If there's no human touch on your content, kahit gaano pa karami yan, kahit pa i-flood mo yung social media mo ng maraming content and there's no human touch, it will not work. Okay? Next is let's talk about this getting the main point, no? I do this with di ba sa demonstration ko sa inyo before, how do we get the main point? For example, sa newsletter, who can tell me the process on how we create the newsletter? A recap lang. Sino dito yung makakapag-share? Let me know. I want to, sa tingin nyo, paano natin giniget yung main point ng mga articles? How are we doing it? What tool are we using? Anyone? Wala? Wala sa chat? Chat kayo? Wala. Okay. Hindi nyo naintindihan yung process natin sa newsletter. All right. RSS and WordPress? No. We use the RSS tool. Getting the main point, guys. That's gathering assets, right? That's getting the raw files that you need. SEO keyword planner? No. What's the main point? Like, how will you get the main point of the news that you will write the newsletter about? What tool is that? Starts with letter P. No one?
Pipedream.
Pipedream, yes, correct. We are using Pipedream to automate everything, right? When Mommy Raki, what happens? Why is the answer pipe dream? Bakit siya yung nagiget ng
You're
main point?
talking about tool.
Yeah. How is the tool getting the main point?
Ano ba? Kino-collect niya yung bali gina-gather niya yung input, what
Mm-hmm.
we feed to ano nga, what topics are we going to collect.
Mm-hmm.
So based doon naman sa feed natin sa Excel file, and that's
Mm-hmm.
how yung pipe dream is going to execute yung next steps.
Yes. Okay. Perfect. I am asking questions because I need you to think, yun pala yung process ni Lala to get the main point. If pipe dream is not possible, let's say nalugi si pipe dream, you still need to understand what the tool is about or what the tool is doing. You have to understand ano exactly yung functionality na ginagawa ni pipe dream na kailangan kong magawa for me to get the main point. If you're not understanding that, it means you are relying sa AI. And kapag inalis si pipe dream, you will not able to function. So that is what I do not want to happen sa akin, sa sarili ko. I need to make sure na when I use a tool, I know what is that tool, helping me with, and I need to know what functionality that tool is giving me na pwede kong hanapin sa ibang tools, or baka pwedeng hindi ko na kailangan mag-subscribe sa Pipedream because ChatGPT launched a new feature na ma-address na yung yung functionality na ginagamit ko or kinukuha ko for that particular goal. So I'm going to share my screen. I just want to show that para sa inyo, para maintindihan nyo. I know not all of you were able to, to do that like in person. So I'm going to demonstrate that. And I'll show you sa Pipe Dream what exactly in Pipe Dream is ano yung nangyayari inside Pipe Dream and what exact functionality are we getting there. All right, so I'm gonna share my screen. Team, I'll be asking questions not because gusto kong may ipahiya or whatever. I want you to think. I really want you to understand the process. Hindi pwedeng hindi tayo nag-iisip. Okay? Kailangan nag-iisip kayo because you guys can see my screen, right? Tama ba? Okay. So, I'm going to show you here Pipe Dream. So, sa newsletter natin, ang ginagamit natin is this article summarizer. We are getting the main
Miss La,
point. Yes?
wala po kaming nakikita sa screen.
Wala?
Wala po.
Ay. Okay. Share. Desktop, share. How about right now? You can see my screen na?
Double screen po.
Double screen?
Overlapping siya. Tama po.
Overlapping? I mean, desktop ko yung nakikita nyo?
Ayun, okay na po.
Yeah, desktop yan. Okay.
Okay.
So, palakihin natin. Oops. Ano nangyari? Okay. So, dito, sa Pipe Dream, ang ginagamit natin is article summarizer. Right? If you guys will remember, ang ginagawa natin to create newsletter is we are choosing from RSS, ginagawa natin, kumukuha tayo ng mga raw files or raw data, right? Ano bang raw data ng newsletter? Of course, news, right? So we are gathering all the news here no? Pag nakapili na ako ng news, what I will do is ilalagay ko siya doon sa newsletter articles natin. And then, as you know, we have an automation embedded on this spreadsheet. So, kapag nilagay na natin dito sa Scratch and we copy it here dito sa news tab, which is the one that's connected to Pipedream, is automatically siyang mag-generate ng mga documents about this. So let's take a example here. For example, yung ginawa kong newsletter tonight, no, nag-publish ako since it's Wednesday. Ang topic ko is AI, right? So I published AI updates, no? So yung pinaka-main news na feature ko today is eto. The US, along with 17 other nations, have agreed on devising policies, principles to ensure safety of artificial intelligence. So ito yung main na news ko, and this came from this news. Sana yung news? US joins other countries in agreement. So from this raw data, no, inilagay ko siya dito sa ating spreadsheet, and then it generated this document, US joins. Now, this is the process na I'm getting help from AI because I want AI to tell me what's the main topic, what are the key arguments, what's the article structure, key takeaways, who's the target audience, suggested title, most significant takeaway, what are the arguments discussing about this topic and how it is relevant to my target audience. So I am getting help from AI. Hey, give me data about this topic. And then ako, ang human touch here is I will read, okay, is this engaging for my audience? Is this something that I need to work on? That's why in this automation, as you can see, I've gathered like 12 news here, but dito sa ating newsletter, I only shared like 5 news because not all of them are relevant. I know that some of them will not work, right, for my audience. It's not engaging enough. So that's where the human touch is, coming. And I need to distill and process yung information na binigay sa akin ni AI. US joined 7, ito yung title ng article, right? But my article here, the title that I created is AI updates in fintech you can't afford to ignore, right? And then I have to rewrite and combine. So makikita ninyo that in this newsletter, from this news, US nag-join, and then sinama ko doon sa news yung report. This is another article that is relevant to that particular article. So ako yung nag-iisip nito, how can I make this news even more relevant sa aking audience? And I added here, kumbaga, voice ng tao about that article. So there's still a human touch in here, hindi lang ako nag-copy paste. And then, of course, here, headlines you don't want to miss. Dito, I've copied from the data since this is just a summary of the headlines and etc. So, when you're writing, so nasa first step pa lang tayo. The first step is to gather your raw data, your raw files, or lahat ng data na kailangan nyo. That's why I'm saying 80% research and 20% action. If you do not have enough data, mahihirapan kang gumawa ng engaging content. So, from here, no, from the data that I got, it generated, so nandiyan yung mga headlines na kinuha ko, no? So, meron na akong starting data that I can write content about. Alam nyo guys, long before I'm doing this, it's really hard to get news without RSS. It's really hard to, distill. It's really hard to distill the summary kung ako lang, kung walang tumutulong sa akin to summarize it. That's why AI is a huge, huge help for me, especially this is a topic that I'm not familiar with. But because of AI, natututunan ko din yung topic, yung industry na to. And so I am having, subject matter expertise na makakatulong sa client ko. Even though this is something I haven't studied about. I'm a computer engineering graduate. I don't have any information or knowledge about alternative lending or financial technology whatsoever. But because of AI, natututunan ko siya. So, gathering the data, distilling the data, evaluating the data is very important. The reason why I did not you guys really did a good job doing the newsletter, but you see that your main struggle is, okay ba to? 'Di ba? Okay ba tong news na to? Anong ilalagay ko dito? Yung pag-iisip is still part of the process. And you will only able to hone that the more the more expertise or the more knowledge you get about that subject. And it is something that AI cannot help you with. But that's something that AI will not do for you, yung pag-understand ng subject, being a subject matter expert, but AI can help you study. All right. So after we gather our content, the next step is we gather assets. We edit and then we finalize. This part here, yun yung pinakita ko sa inyo, like ano yung mga content na pwede kong i-combine, i-edit ko, and then we will finalize. And then this is an important aspect or element ng content, which is selecting tags or keywords or the right description. Then you publish, analyze. Most important step is you have to repeat what's working and know what's not. So this is the general process of content creation. You need to gather as many data as possible. You need to think, you need to analyze what's the main point. And then I'm going to demonstrate exactly kung paano yan. So in gathering raw file, get the main point, clean up, in written content, you have to get as many research files as possible. So ako sa newsletter, since news ang kailangan ko, I'm using RSS. And since yung ating yung ChatGPT, meron na din siyang internet capability, right? So ginagamit ko din si ChatGPT. Gumawa ako ng fintech news writer GPT using ChatGPT Plus para tutulungan niya akong mag-gather ng news from the internet and then writing about that news. So, hindi lang ako nagre-rely sa RSS, but I also rely sa ChatGPT. Aside from that, hindi lang yon kasi puro AI yun, 'di ba? I also incorporate my thinking skills by analyzing, okay, ito yung nahanap ni ChatGPT sa sa news, right? Kasi ang ginagawa lang, alam ko kung paano nag-ooperate yung ChatGPT. ang gagawin niya, pakita ko na lang sa inyo kunwari. Kunwari maghahanap tayo ng news. Ito, fintech news writer. Alright, sasabihin ko I'm not sharing my screen, right? Teka. Okay, share. Ayan, so ito si fintech news writer, no? Ginawa ko tong bot na to. But kahit wala pa kayong access dyan, let's say this is a fresh GPT plus. And then sasabihin ko sa kanya, meron akong customization dito, introducing I'm a content manager for Cobalt Intelligence, and nilagay ko dyan si Professor Synapse. So, sabihin ko sa kanya, hi, please check my user info. I need to write a newsletter today. So I'm giving context kay AI. I'm telling AI who I am, and I'm telling him what's my goal. For newsletter, key features, blah, blah, blah. Let's clarify the main message or theme of your newsletter. All right, so sasabihin ko na sa kanya, please gather recent news related to AI and fintech, kunwari. So you will see doing research with Bing, recent news, AI fintech, November 2023. So, eto, TechCrunch, ganyan. Because I know how AI is working, I know that kung yun yung search keywords niya, nagsusearch lang siya ng keywords, and then naghahanap siya sa web ng mga related topics, I know that it may be limited, right? So, but still, it could be, a good starting point. Okay, ito, 2 weeks ago to. So, November 19, AI, tapos AI ambitions, etc. Maybe this could be a good, article that I can get. So, isi-save ko na to doon sa newsletter na ginagawa natin. And then, ilalagay ko na siya sa Scratch because I am gathering as many news or data as possible to make sure that I have enough data to work with. So, since ganyan siya mag-process, hindi lang ako magre-rely kay RSS at saka kay AI. Because ito, lahat to is ginather lang from internet, right? From the internet. What AI is not getting from, or what AI is not able to do is hindi niya alam kung ano yung trends and kung ano yung mga nakikita ng mga entrepreneurs, ano yung mga current na pinag-uusapan ng mga entrepreneurs sa mga forums, kasi ako lang yung nakaka-access ng forums. Pag nagre-research ako, no, so binabantayan ko yung audience. So, ang ginagawa ko is, after niyang maghanap sa internet, after niyang maghanap dun sa RSS, maghahanap pa ako ng mag-check ako ng mga newsletters from different companies, from reliable companies. Ano yung mga recent articles nila. So for example, if it is AI, I know na yung Product Hunt company is updated sa mga recent news about trending tools about AI or whatsoever. And yun yung mga pinag-uusapan ng mga clients, right? Or yun yung pinag-uusapan, yun yung hot topic right now sa sa mga entrepreneurs. So that is something that AI cannot do. And so if I want to incorporate something that's really engaging for my target audience, I need more than AI. I need my thinking skills. I need my creativity skills. And you can only do this by really studying and being intentional na mapaganda yung ginagawa ninyo, right? You don't need to be like the smartest guy in the world or be the most intelligent person. You just have to think and really, put in your heart na I really want my newsletter to be something na babasahin ng mga audience ko. So, kailangan ko silang intindihin, kailangan ko ano yung malaman ang mga trends, you really need to dive deep into their world for you to be able to create content that they would like, right? This is a fresh this is a startup itong client ko and wala siyang audience, and we have like very few newsletter subscribers right now, like I think around 60 something. So maliit pa lang yung audience namin, but we're not expecting huge, but we are having open rates of 40%. And sometimes 20%. Actually, 20%, we're happy with 20%, but we're achieving 30%, 40% open rates. And that's a good indication, right? So that's how you evaluate it. And also, 'di ba, it's also important na gusto ni client, no, yung mga ginagawa mo. So I'll just share this, no, a snippet. So when I publish the newsletter today, sabi ko, Wednesday newsletter is ready for review. I sent the test email. Good one, ship it. The AI ones are my favorite. So the only reason why my client is being happy, because my client is also one of my target audience. Kasi if nagustuhan niya to, ibig sabihin I'm doing something right. This part is dun sa evaluating. You need to observe, you need to understand, you need to have critical thinking, and you need to evaluate if what you're doing is working. The main reason why my clients love working with me is because of that creative thinking, because of that critical thinking. I don't just perform tasks. And you need to understand this, guys. If there's one thing that you need to have like a takeaway from this internship is lahat ng tinuro ko sa inyo na tactics, how to is important, yes, but I need you to develop your critical thinking skills, your creative thinking skills, and really thinking what will the client want. All right? And segue ko lang din that I was, because of my long message last week, no, that is an indication for you guys that you're not doing it right now. You may have excuses, right? But the main purpose, the main goal of this internship is for you to really understand ano yung kailangan kong matutunan, ano yung kailangan kong i-apply, right? So during this internship, I need you to observe your performance. I need you to understand what are the things that you're doing na mali, na hindi tama, and what are the things that you should be doing at kung ano yung gusto nyong marating. That is the main purpose of this internship. Kung hindi nyo yun iniisip, the internship will not really help you that much, because the information that I've shared you, the tools that I have shared to you, baka maging obsolete na din yan in the next few months, because ChatGPT might launch the AGI na, diba? So it can change as technology is rapidly changing many things in the digital marketing world, but your critical thinking skills, your creative thinking skills is what I'm after with. I need you to practice. Ano ba yung magugustuhan ni client? Ano ba yung dapat kong gawin to make sure na madali para kay client, na masarap akong ka-work kay client, maramdaman niya that I care for the business. Guys, these are the things that AI cannot help you with. I mean, AI cannot do for you, but AI can help you with those stuff, right? As long as you know your main goals. So, is this making sense, team? I'm really not kapag nagsasermon ako, as much as possible, ayoko nagsasermon. But if I know that it is a very critical skill that you are missing, if it's a critical point that you are, not learning, I really need to, mag-sermon ng konti and sabunin kayo ng konti because it's for you. It's for you. I mean, for me, I know what I need to do. Kahit hindi ko yan kayo sermonan, walang mangyayari sa akin. I'm good, I have clients, I can get clients, but para sa inyo yan, right? Next is, ang assignment nyo, hindi ko siya i-check, kayo na bahala, but after this internship, you ask yourself, am I thinking critically? Am I thinking creatively to hone my skills? Or am I just gathering information? Kasi kapag nag-gather lang kayo ng information and you're not practicing your critical thinking, your mind, gather lang kayo ng gather, and it's a very shallow and weak foundation for you to be a good digital marketing expert, social media managers. You need to have critical thinking skills. And natetest lang yon when you are solving problems. Okay? Most of the time, meron ako narinig, most of the time, yung mga tao, they are just passive. They are not thinking. The only time that they are thinking is if they are faced with a problem. That's why my internship program is always hands-on. I'm giving you problems. I'm giving you tasks because I want you to think. I want you to exercise your mind and not just gather information. Team, gathering information is as easy as breathing right now because of AI, because of all the engines or lahat ng technology available sa atin to gather information. Gathering information is not a problem. Critical thinking, how are you going to implement it? How are you going to sharpen your mind in solving clients' problems using the knowledge that you have? That's what you need to learn. That's what AI is for. AI will not replace you because AI cannot perform creative thinking skills, critical thinking skills. They can help you do that, but they won't be able to do that because wala silang feelings, wala silang, alam yun, hindi nila nakikita yung reality, hindi nila napaprocess yung, kung ano yung gusto ng mga tao, kung alam yun, wala silang ganun. They only have data, and you, as a person, as a human being, that's your job. And that will set you apart. Maraming maglalabas na course na how to, no? Saan kukuha ng information, etc. Please do not spend time doing that. Get one practical skill that you really need to learn and perform it and do it repetitively and get a result. Apply it, get a result, apply it, put it in your portfolio. That is how you do it. One skill at a time, one practical task at a time, and not gathering information. Gathering information will not help you. All right? So, nag-focus ako dito sa topic na to because I don't think many people will, teach you this stuff. I mean, this way of learning. Kasi they are after your money. Like, they will just sell something, no? And sa panahon ngayon, I can ask ChatGPT, create a course for me. Basahin ko yung script na ginawa niya and ibigay ko yun sa inyo, right? I mean, I can do that right now and sell something and make money, but it's not something that I do not want to do. I want you guys to remember me that I am doing an excellent work, not because I'm here to make money. I'm here to, use my work as my worship kay Lord and really provide value sa mga buhay nyo. And I'm not after money. So, the reason why there's a huge gap between the skills of Filipino freelancers and sa demand ng mga clients right now is because only few people are thinking, are applying their ideas, testing their ideas. Totoo bang alam ko na to? Totoo bang kaya ko to? Totoo bang alam mo yun? Kasi kapag nanood ka lang, tapos hindi mo tinetest kung naintindihan mo ba talaga? Kaya mo ba talaga gawin yun? Kahit pa ikot-ikutin ka, naintindihan mo ba talaga yun? Kaya mo bang gumawa ng result pag dun sa naintindihan mo? You have to keep on testing yourself. Watching a video tutorial will not help you. Watching me do stuff and copying what I do is not something I want you to do. I want you to think. I want you to have the ability to recreate my success because naintindihan nyo na, ito dapat yung ginagawa ko and talagang ginawa nyo na siya. Magbasa kayo ng magbasa kung paano lumangoy. Kung hindi kayo lalangoy at matatakot malunod, hindi kayo matututong lumangoy. Right? That is a bad example kasi hindi ako magaling lumangoy, but I'm trying, right? You know, I'm not a good swimmer, but somehow kahit papaano nagtatry ako, and you know, that's the same thing with you guys. Just keep on trying. Hindi kayo yung magiging pinakamagaling, but who cares? 'Di ba? Just keep on trying. Mag-aral lang kayo ng mag-aral. And the right strategy of studying is really asking yourself, natutunan mo ba talaga? Gumawa ka nga ng result? Natutunan mo ba talaga? Explain mo nga sa iba. Natutunan mo ba talaga? Share mo nga sa iba. That is always asking yourself. Kaya mo, totoo bang natutunan mo yung mga inaaral mo? Alright, so, let me go back here. Tapos na yan, get as many, so ito sa article to, no? Pero paano sa video? Gather assets, edit, final. So dito, based on script, improve retention, prepare B-rolls, memes, graphics, get approval, and finalize. So this is a video content creation naman to. Paano kami gumagawa ng videos ni client. So si AJ ang video editor ko. Sabi niya mahirap to. And mahirap talaga siya because ang pinakamahirap is not just how to use the Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro itself is complicated, right? But giving or structuring your content is the most difficult part. So, kaya kailangan yung magbase sa script, ano yung magiging retention. Pag improve retention, pag sinabing retention is how are you going to keep your long video engaging? How can you make people continue watching? Just like sa content sa social media, kung meron kang long content, paano mo make sure na babasahin nila hanggang sa huli? Manonood sila hanggang sa huli. So, magbe-base ka sa script and you will think. Dito ulit, magsi-think ka. Think how you don't just create a video. Kapag ginawan ka na ng ChatGPT ng script, you don't just, follow that blindly. You think, how can I retain my audience and keep watching this video? So, dito din magpe-prepare ng B-rolls, memes, graphics, and then get approval. So, I'll show you a demonstration here. Our process is i-clean up muna. So, kagaya nung sinabi ko doon kanina, kailangan i-clean up, no? I-clean up muna, i-get yung main point. So, we are using this script. Yung this script, ano niya yun, transcribe niya kung ano yung pinaka main point, ganyan, and then ipakita ko sa inyo yung this script. Ibibigay niya yung pinaka transcription, tapos ikaw iisipin mo, dito sa part na to insert natin to. Dito sa part na to insert natin tong meme na ganito. So ayun, okay, naghang yata yung script ko. Okay. So this is the script. So si client din nagbabayad nito, hindi ako. So for example, ito, meron kaming ginawang dyan. So dito, nagbe-brainstorm kami ni AJ like, okay, ideally, sabi nila, every 15 seconds dapat every 15 seconds mag-i-insert ka ng something interactive para hindi lang same frames yung nakikita ni audience mo. So maximum daw yung 15 seconds. Pag 15 seconds pare-pareha lang yung nakikita ni audience, baka i-close niya na yung video. Sabi yun sa studies, but it's not a strict rule. Depende siguro sa video, but it's a good, guiding point, right? So, kapag ka naka 15 seconds na wala ka pang ini-incorporate na something engaging sa video mo, you might lose your audience. So, ayan. So, kinakat namin, OpenAI is blah, blah, blah. So, gusto ko dito, kaya ko siya hinighlight, is maglalagay ako ng B-rolls. Maglalagay ako dito. Si AJ, ito sa akin pink, kay AJ yung yellow. Siya na yung bahala maghanap dyan ng B-rolls, ganyan. And then, mag-iisip kami, okay, ano yung mga B-rolls? Pag sinabing B-rolls, ito yung mga clips, no, na nilalagay natin sa video. And then mag-iisip ka paano mo gagawing interactive. So this is the main video. This is the raw file. And then i-edit siya ni AJ. So pakita ko paano ba to? Anyway, palakihin natin. But as you can see, ang makikita nyo lang is video.
Imagine a computer that not only understands your needs but adapts to them. You have questions about your past files. If the company you funded, you can ask it. It knows it all. And it can...
So, yung part na yon, nagsasalita lang siya. That's not a bad content, right? Like, pwedeng nagsasalita si client lang. But when we say retention sa video is how can we make the video engaging, no? So, ang ginawa natin, papakita ko sa inyo yung pinaka-final output niya. Punta tayo dun sa video mismo. Okay. Dito. How do we improve the retention? Puntahan lang natin yung channel ni Cobalt. Ayan. So, alam ko, ito yan. Ito.
So, imagine a computer that not only understands your needs but adapts to them. You have questions about your... Imagine a computer that not only understands your needs but adapts to them. You have questions about your past files. Like the companies you funded, you can ask it. It knows it all. And it can give you suggestions for funding in the future based on that history. And as you grow and add more files, you can just give it to the computer and it will understand it and adapt to them. This is what we're going to talk about today. I'm Jordan Hansen, and this is Beyond Banks by Cobalt Intelligence. I have the background in software and data automation, and I truly believe that AI and automation can be revolutionary for business.
Okay, so let me just stop sharing my screen. Incorporating yung okay, magagather muna kami ni AJ ng B-rolls, magagather kami, mag-isip kami kung ano yung mga kukunin namin, ganyan. That's part of your video content creation. Kung sa written content, iniisip mo, okay, ano yung mga kailangan kong articles na kailangan na assets, etc. Ganun din sa video. You have to identify or check ano yung mga assets na kailangan ko. So, going back doon sa dinidiscuss natin, pag sa video, you have to gather the assets that you need and kayo din yung mag-iisip kung ano yung mga assets na kakailanganin ninyo. Memes, graphics, ganyan. To make it engaging. Okay? Ngayon, balik tayo sa content writing. Ano naman yung ginagather natin pag sa content writing? These are what we call the elements ako lang yung nag-isip nito. I call it elements in content writing because these are the things that I prepare in creating content sa blog naman. Also sa newsletter, but more on blog. Kasi hindi ko pwedeng i-stuff ng keywords yung newsletter because it won't make sense, right? But sa blog, we can do that. Content prompts is generated through the keywords. Content inventory is generated by the topics that I need to talk about. Content maps, this will help me map and create interlinking topics. I'll discuss the importance of this later on. Message framework, I need to make sure sa content writing is nandoon yung core message ng Cobalt at ng product namin. And then, message hook, yun yung first few lines. Okay. So, pupunta tayo sa nitty-gritty ng paggawa ng content, no? But, I'll just quickly show you here. Ito naman yung process ko sa content writing ng YouTube description. I need to get the YouTube tags sa Ahrefs, incorporate copywriting techniques to writing the headline and description, necessary links, timestamps, card info, and end cards. Kasi I need to make sure na tong video ni client is meron siyang mga timestamps, no? Tapos nandiyan yung mga links, tapos may mga kagaya nito end card, card links yan. Tapos sa end card dapat ma-incorporate yan. And then no? So we need to make sure na meron to. So ito yung mga checklist ko sa YouTube and I need to make sure na meron to. But dito sa ating content, dun sa content writing, sa blogs, ito naman yung gagawin natin. Okay? Pakita ko sa inyo, I think pinakita ko na sa inyo to dati, yung Notion natin, right? Let me show you here. Okay, share. So, ito yung dashboard ng content creation namin ni client. So, let's say, tapos na yung ideas, nasa SEO research tayo. We need to come up with SEO keywords. And tapos ko na yan, yung process na yan. So, let's take a look at the content dito inside YouTube, no? So, each YouTube topic here is somehow inspired by the keywords that I have, no? Buksan lang natin yung keywords database ko. Nagkaroon ako na ng discussion, 'di ba? How I generated keywords using Ahref. So, alam niyo na kung paano ko to kinuha, 'di ba? So, I need to have a set of keywords here na pang blog, and then I also have set of keywords na pang YouTube. I have set of keywords for business value keywords. So, marami akong keywords na kailangan because as much as possible, I need to make sure na yung content na ginagawa ko is SEO friendly, no? So, yun yung isa sa elements na ginagawa ko. Content prompt ko yung keyword kasi ginagamit ko to on how I generate other topics, okay? So, I'll show you here paano yun. Let me share my entire page. Desktop. Okay. So, kunwari, ang gagamitin kong keyword is itong automated underwriting. This is priority 1, credit risk modeling. This is priority 1. So, let's say, dito na lang tayo, automated underwriting system. And ika-copy ko siya, meron akong ginagamit na ChatGPT tool. I've developed this tool para tulungan niya akong mag-generate ng topics. And the way I generate topics is by thinking what are the long tail keywords na pwede kong gamitin for that particular ayan. So this is the long tail keyword generator. I created this GPT. So generate blog titles using this keyword. Okay, so as you can see, AI or ChatGPT, the GPT that I created, is helping me think about or gathering titles or keywords na pwede kong i-incorporate using the main keyword automated underwriting system. So, from here, pwede kong ilista na to, no? These are ideas. Of course, pag-iisipan ko pa rin if these are good ones, no? Or, depende na lang sa akin. But at least I have a starting data to work with. What is the long tail keyword, no? This is the main keyword and this is the long tail keyword. And then, ito yung pwedeng topic or title, no? Na pwede kong gawin, na pwede kong gamitin. Right? Yan, tapos na siya. And then I can do that. I can copy this, no? Kakopy ko na to because this is the starting point for me, right? This is a starting point for me to create. So let's just create a new document here. I'll just put a new document dito, ha? Yan. Can you see my screen kapag nag-shift ako? Oops. Ayan. So, i-take note ko na yan siya. So, going back, pwede ko itong gamitin and I can enter different keywords here, no? Pwede ko itong gamitin paulit-ulit and that is the same output that my GPT will provide, right? So, let's say, punta tayo sa Notion. Nasaan na yung Notion? Saan na yung Notion? Okay. Ito. Kunwari, ito naman yung number 2, credit risk modeling. So, let's say, gamitin ko ulit si ChatGPT. Saan na yun? Yan. Okay. Another keyword you need to work on, please. Ayan. Credit risk modeling. And then, oops, error in moderation. Let's just refresh it. Okay, so it's still thinking mukhang maraming gumagamit, but it should give us the same output, no? In getting other topics that we can write for this particular keyword. Okay. Ayan. Credit risk modeling. So, nag-generate siya ulit ng mga topics na pwede kong gamitin. So, if you guys are having a hard time thinking about ano ba kaya yung mga ideas na pwede kong you can ask ChatGPT, no? Pero kasi, ano yung human touch behind this is yung ChatGPT ko. I mean, yung GPT na ginagamit ko. I am exactly giving AI exact instructions on how to come up with this idea. Na hindi to, kapag sa ChatGPT nyo lang yan ginawa ninyo, sa ChatGPT nyo, and ganun yung ginawa ninyo, give me blog topics for this keyword, hindi niya kayo bibigyan ng ganitong format, hindi niya kayo bibigyan ng may iisipin niya yung search intent, title, description, kasi ako yung nagbigay ng direction and instruction kay ChatGPT kung paano siya mag-iisip. So, technically, si ChatGPT at saka yung isip ko yung nag-combine, kaya ganito yung output niya. So, this is a starting point that I can use, no? So, this GPT is public. You guys can use it kung meron kayong ChatGPT Plus. All right? I am planning to share this sa mga tao in the future, but I am sharing it to you first. Next, okay la. Tapos na yung mga ideas. Meron ka ng keyword, meron ka ng tawag dyan, topics, no? How are you going to create content maps interlinking each topics, no? So, let me discuss first a little bit about interlinking. Kagaya nung sinabi ko sa keyword discussion natin dati, the way Google works is nasa una niyang i-consider is yung search intent, I mean yung intent ng content mo. Ito ba ay blog, may tinatawag na blog type, no? Is it a type of content na blog, or is it a listicle article na mga list like top 20 destination, etc. Is it a listicle? Yan ba yung hinahanap nung user ng naghahanap sa Google, no? So kung yung search intent ni Google ng tao sa Google, no, ng audience ni Google is mamimit nung content mo, that's good indication, yung search intent. So next is yung domain authority. Pag sinabing domain authority is madami bang word of mouth? Ibig sabihin ng word of mouth, backlinks. Marami bang nagsasabi ng mga website na maganda yung website mo? Marami bang nagpo-point from different websites to your website? That's backlinking. So, ang the top 2 na kino-consider ni Google is yung domain authority at tsaka yung backlinks ninyo. And aside from that is yung tawag dyan, let me just, backlinks, search intent, at saka yung content depth. So, kung gaano ka-detalyado yung content ninyo. So, I have to look at my notes here. But, yun yung pinaka-priority criteria ni Google. Yung search intent, kailangan ma-meet ng content nyo. Pangalawa, maganda yung backlinks, I mean, domain authority. So, pinakita ko yun sa inyo, di ba, sa tutorial natin dati. And so, it's the same as with coming up with other articles. Ibig sabihin, gusto natin na magustuhan ni Google yung content natin. Paano ma-understand ni Google na maganda yung content natin kapag mayroong interlinking inside the website at saka outside websites, yung mga external websites. So what do I mean by that? Kung yung word of mouth is yung backlinks. Maraming nagsasabi na websites na maganda yung website niyan. Puntahan nyo to, puntahan nyo to, puntahan nyo to. So you will have good domain authority. But inside your website, kailangan yung content ninyo is magkaka-interlink. Ibig sabihin, for example, this article mentions this article related to this article. If you will, I don't know if you visited HubSpot. HubSpot is really good at interlinking their articles because may isa ka lang article na babasahin, tas may isa-suggest pa sila na related article na mapupunta sa ibang article. Tapos yung article na yon may iba pa siyang isa-suggest. That's what we call interlinking. The more interlinking that's happening inside your website, the better the Google SEO score will be. So you have to consider this sa paggagawa ng content map or paggagawa ng content directory ninyo for your clients. So for example sa akin, ang pillar content ko ay videos and blogs. So yung videos ko, i-repurpose ko to shorts, reels, whatever. And then yung blogs ko is i-repurpose ko siya to LinkedIn content or whatever, Twitter post, lahat ng mga pwede kong i-repurpose. But the pillar content is going to be the video and the blog. So I have to make sure na hindi lang ako nag-iisip ng content for the day. But ang iisipin ko is how are this content going to be related to each other? How are the keywords going to be related to each other? How are these topics and keywords will have a coherent look and a coherent, idea or topic for my website. So that part, it involves critical thinking. Ikaw mag-isip nun because AI will not do that for you. It can help you generate topics, which I will show you right now. I have another way of planning my SEO. Dito, sinabi ko 'di ba, si AI hindi siya mag-iisip kung paano mo gagawin yung bigger picture, but AI can help you generate content and screen sharing. It can help you manufacture yung mga topics na pwede nyong gawin and what will be. Resume sharing. Bakit hindi nag-share? Okay. Are you guys able to see my screen? Wala. Kapag nag-share ako, share.
Wala
Wala
pa
pa
po na
pong
ngayon.
screen.
Wala pa.
Ayan, yan.
Yan, okay. Share. Share. Okay. Ay, ayaw niyang mag-share ng... Okay, yan. So dito, I'm going to use naman, this is what I call SEO Planner Pro. So bibigyan ko siya, please create a content plan for, ilalagay ko yung credit risk modeling. So dito, this is also a GPT that I created, no? Gusto ko magtatanong muna siya. Are you targeting towards financial professionals? Sasabihin ko sa kanya, yes. Should the content plan be detailed and technical? Yes. Detailed and technical. Specific area. Please suggest. Ay, hindi. Ano ba? Specific. Okay. Machine learning. Ito. Yung dalawa. So, I'm asking, dito sa ginawa kong GPT, gusto ko, i-confirm niya muna yung gusto ko in regulatory aspects. Would you prefer the plan to be tailored? I have intermediate. Okay. Once he's got the information, gagawa na siya ng SEO content plan. And this one, I created this as well. No, GPT ko to. And I can share this as well kung meron kayong GPT Plus. Okay, so tutulungan niya akong mag-draft ng article. So, kung may mga topics ako na generate kanina, pwede kong isipan yon, yung long tail keyword na yon, ilalagay ko din dito para magkaroon ako ng plan. Ano yung pwede kong ilagay sa FAQs dun sa article, ano yung mga related queries. These are the interlinking opportunities, no? Ito yung other topics na pwede kong itap. Tapos machine learning, ito yung mga suggested long tail keywords na pwede kong i-incorporate dun sa content ko. Tapos ito yung suggested niya na recommended usage count. Pag sinabing usage count is kung ilang beses ko uulitin tong keyword na to during the entire during the writing of the article. So, ito, entities, yan. This is designed to cover key aspects of credit risk modeling. So, binibigyan niya na ako ng idea kung paano ko isusulat yung article na gagawin ko, tapos ano yung mga keywords na pwede kong i-incorporate, and then ano yung mga related queries or yung mga interlinking opportunities or other blog topics na pwede kong gawin for that particular topic. Okay? So I like using this as a starting point. But as you know, gaya nung demonstration ko sa inyo last time, yung SEO writing natin, this is a very straightforward bulk creation tool, 'di ba? So for example, ilalagay ko yung itong topic. Kunwari, ang keyword ko, benefits of automated underwriting. Kunwari, yun yung main keyword ko. Tapos yung title na binigay niya is maximizing efficiency, etc. Lagay ko dyan. And tone of voice should be informational, point of view. I've already demonstrated this sa inyo, di ba? I'm just filling out here the information. Yes. Number of images, 5. Photo, none. Okay, so sa keywords, I have set of keywords na generate. So I'll just copy and paste that. Wait lang. I'm looking for my keywords here, no? So para i-feed ko na lang sa kanya yung keywords ko. So let me show you ano yung nangyayari dito sa background. These are the keywords na ginawa ko. I have general keywords, I have industry keywords, pero I have business keywords then. So yan yung ginagawa ko dito. But let's say for this example, kunwari, hindi ko siya i-feed lang. This is just for demonstration purposes. Okay? Kunwari, hindi siya yung, wala akong set of keywords. I will ask, give me NLP keyword generation. So, siya yung pag-iisipin ko ng keywords. And then, I'll just add here, Cobalt Intelligence. Alternative financing. Yan. So, kunwari yan yung starting SEO natin. And then, for the structure, I want it to have conclusion, tables, may mga H3, may list, yan. Network, do you want to connect to web? I will say yes. I will say search results. Yan. And then, publish to WordPress. Doon lagay ko sa kanya. And then, because this is automated, no? Automatic niya nang ilalagay doon. So, MCA underwriting. Draft. Okay, siya na bahala sa tags. And I want it not to use my API key, pero pwede din. So, for example, dito, yes. Tapos, ang ipapagawa ko is, ito, high quality. All right. So, those are the parameters to create the blog post. And then, i-run ko lang siya. And then, mag-generate na siya ng content, right? But, I will not copy and paste right away or hindi yan yung ipapublish ko. I-edit ko pa siya. Paano? I-incorporate ko pa yung mga sinabi niya dito. Mag-iisip ako ng mga interlinking, mag-iisip ako kung paano ko i-incorporate tong long tail keywords. So, how the process of doing that is also using GPT. Sasabihin ko kay GPT, this is my first draft. Can you suggest how can I insert machine learning applications in credit risk? And please search relevant blogs for me to cite pertaining to this topic. Kumbaga, magko-collect ako ng i-structure ko yung website to make sure, yung blog to make sure that it's helpful and it is relevant. And then credit risk modeling na mga keywords, I'll make sure na sabihin ko, hey, this is my second draft. Can you please tell me how to incorporate credit risk modeling keyword 10 times to this draft. So, mag-isip kami ulit ni AI, ganyan-ganyan. So, creating the blog is not, it's not going to be like an fully 100% AI generated kasi ako yung nag-feed kung paano ko siya gagawin. And even this information, ako yung nag-feed sa kanya kung paano niya to iisipin. So, this is actually me just, a smarter and SEO expert because merong help ni AI. Right? 17%. So, 17% pa lang yan. Now, while we are waiting for that, let's go back doon sa slide natin. Let me just, okay. So, next process is publish, distribute, which this is about your pillar content needs to be published to other channels. So, for example, yung etong ginawa ko na to, itong ginawa namin na content, this is also published sa LinkedIn. Pero hindi lang yung video. I repurposed the video. View as a member. Okay. Nirepurpose ko yung video into document since I know that ito. So this client, marami pa siya. This is very new account. So wala pa kami masyadong audience here. But the key is, okay naman kami sa dito sa YouTube and we're starting to generate traction sa LinkedIn. So ito yon. If you will notice, this part here is also the thumbnail. Yan yung thumbnail. Hindi nyo lang makikita dito yung thumbnail. Ito. Build your own GPT. Ayan yun. And then, nilagay ko lang, nirepurpose ko lang siya, and nilagay ko siya dito. And then, ayan. So, ito, galing lang din to doon sa generate na information. Okay? Tatandaan nyo, sinabi ko doon sa ating pipe dream process, Si Pipe Dream, siya yung gagawa ng summary, ng main points, ng arguments. And then, meron akong ginawa sa Pipe Dream din na magge-generate ng 10 key important information about that transcription. So after niyang i-transcribe yon, ginamit ko yung raw data, which is the transcription, to generate the 10 key points. So let me share my Pipe Dream. Okay. Dito sa Pipe Dream, sabi ko, subject line generator. Ito, generate YouTube timestamp. So from these timestamps, siya din yung ginawa kong timestamps, tapos siya din yung ginawa kong notes, yung article summarizer. Lahat ng mga na-generate ko from this is binibigay niya sa isang document. Let me just grab the document quickly. Build. Ayan. Ito ba yun? Hindi. Anyway, but as this is an example, no? Igagather ko yung transcript, igagather ko yung summary, igagather ko yung main points, tapos mga additional points, no? Nilalagay ko yung mga additional information, etc. Lahat ng pwede kong ilagay, igagather ko dito. Tapos, ilalagay ko dyan yung mga main points, 10 main points from the transcription. Tapos, ilalagay ko siya doon sa pinaka-LinkedIn post. No? So, kung pupunta tayo sa Canva, okay, kung pupunta tayo sa Canva, ito yon. So, yung from those 10 main points na nakuha ko generated by AI, is aayusin ko lang siya into relevant, parang digestible information, right? So, this is the format. Yan lang din yon. Tapos, yung itsura niyan is nandun nga sa LinkedIn, no? So, that's how one way of repurposing it. This process that I created, it took me like maybe 2 or 3 days to formulate like the overall and refine everything. But yung 3 days na yon is super sulit because I am able to, create itong pinaka-copy and yung ilalagay ko sa images easily because I have lots of data to work on and I have Pipe Dream automation that can help me streamline my process. Okay. All right. So let's go back dun sa topic natin kanina. Okay. Let me share my screen. I think I am down to my last slide. Kapit lang guys, malapit na tayo. All right, so okay. From your pillar content, you need to publish it to other channels, but you have to tailor your repurposed content base doon sa channel na yon. Pillar content needs to be repurposed so it will work to other channels. Rinse and repeat. So right now, I was only able to automate my process sa mga LinkedIn posts. Yung copy ng LinkedIn post, yung pinaka-LinkedIn post, yung YouTube description, yung timestamps, yung tags. It's already like super dami na yun, 'di ba? But I have a long way to go because I haven't touched Facebook groups, Twitter, Instagram, no? So speaking of Instagram, pupunta tayo dun sa Sa images naman, no? Sa images, creating blog, tapos na pala 'to. Sa images naman, I have a simple process. I'm using ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Canva. And of course, there's still a little bit of thinking, all right? But I'll demonstrate how I do it. Kanina medyo buggy si Midjourney eh. So let's see kung okay na siya. But before I transition, natapos natin yung video at saka yung content writing, copywriting. Hindi ko lang na-explain further sa inyo yung sa writing hooks, no? There is a course na tinake ko particularly in creating hooks. And meron akong mga tools na ginagamit to write the hooks. Si ChatGPT, meron akong ginawang ChatGPT ko, copywriting angles. So for example, ito yung title. Kunwari, title is, ano ba? Let's just think of a title. Dun sa mga generate ko na title, kunwari. Kukuha ko ng isang title dito. Yung kaninang ginawa natin sa underwriting systems. So I'll get here a topic, a title. So sasabihin ko sa kanya, give me variations for this headline. Ito yung binigay kanina ni, 'di ba? Ni ChatGPT. Gusto ko tulungan ako mag-isip ni ChatGPT ng angles, copywriting angles na pwede kong i-incorporate to make it more interesting. All right? So I have provided ChatGPT 13 copywriting techniques that I know. Yan yung nga nakikita nyo. Embedded presumption, bandwagoning, confirmation bias. So those are the copywriting techniques that I know that's been working. Inaral ko din siya. And then, sabi ko kay ChatGPT, bigyan mo ko ng variations ng headlines na to. So that I can use as many angles as I write the article and as I write, repurposed content for LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, or whatsoever. Para marami akong pagpipilian so that writing a content or copy for me is not going to be hard. So, join the efficient future. Discover the top benefits, blah, blah, blah. Don't risk falling behind. Why ignoring automated underwriting systems could be costly, right? This is giving me like delicious angles or great headlines or copywritings. Hindi yung mga super general na binibigay lang ni ChatGPT. Because I've trained this GPT, itong copywriting angles GPT na to, I created it and trained it with other copywriting techniques. Ayan. From the experts, why automated underwriting? So these could be really great hooks or parang first liner ko na gagamitin. And aside from this, if this is not enough, and usually it's not enough for me, I really want to think hard. So I'm using other tools na kung saan I want ChatGPT to give me more ideas how to say things on a different manner, right? So bibigyan ko siya. For example, ito, PAS. Problem agitate solution. Okay, yun yung PAS. Kumbaga, this will help me parang write the copy itself on social media or on YouTube. Yan. And it's providing me 3 variations here. Are you tired of manual underwriting process slowing you down? Blah, blah, blah. Believe it or not, you're exacerbating, blah, blah, blah. So let's say pinili ko to, no? And I see that, okay naman, pero may mga different words, ganyan. So I'm going to refine it a little bit more based sa kung anong gusto ko. But this is enough for me to, think other ways how to say it. And I have couple more, ideas here. Ito, favorite ko din to. Thesis and antithesis. But ito naman is giving me other ways to say it as well. So as you can see, I am when I'm writing something, I'm gathering as much data as possible through the help of AI to make sure that when I create the copy, it's engaging and it is something that my clients would like to read. So the TAS is the thesis antithesis copywriting technique. So businesses everywhere still cling to manual underwriting, assuming it's the safest bet. The fear of change and the perceived complexity of automated systems often stall progress. Blah, blah, blah. So, pwede akong mag-copy nito and then ilalagay ko sila sa isang Google document and then I will read thoroughly and then I will highlight, oh, this is a good one. Oh, this is a good one. So, ko-combine ko siya. I will refine, I will filter, and then that's the time that I will be, finalizing my copy. So, tapos na natin, no? Let me just share. So, yung sa content writing, ang elements is natapos na message hook. So core message, in-explain ko na yan sa inyo dati, diba? Yung what are you offering and why is it important? Kailangan nandoon yun sa pinaka-content. And I already demonstrated sa inyo kung paano ko kinuha yung core message ko from my clients. So these are, if you know these things, and if you know how to incorporate these things, it's not going to be hard for you to create content kasi si AI na mismo yung tutulong sa inyo. Alright? Okay, the last thing before we go sa images is okay, tapos na pala. All right, so that's that. Now let's proceed in creating the images. Hopefully gumana na si Midjourney. Ay, let me just stop sharing here. Si Discord. For creating images, I am combining different methods, no? I'm asking ChatGPT for inspiration. Nag-demonstrate na ako sa inyo nito dati, di ba? Ano yung ginagamit kong tool? Question team. Kung buhay pa kayo, kung nakikinig kayo. Anong ginagamit nating tool to refine yung prompt? May dalawa tayong tool na ginagamit para magkaroon tayo ng idea how to write our prompts. What are those 2 tools kung naaalala ninyo? Wala? Wala makasagot? Ano yung dalawang tools? Aside from Midjourney, ha? Yes, gPrompter. What's the other one? Yes, gPrompter. What's the other one? Yung pinagkukuhaan natin ng inspiration. Like, anong look ng image ang gusto nating gawin? Yes, free flow. So with these two tools, yung gPrompter, it's going to refine, and then free flow, it's going to give us like parang initial idea kung ano yung magiging itsura nung ating content, right? So I'm going to share here si Midjourney. Tapos pakita ko sa inyo like how so this part si AJ gumawa nito eh. Makikita nyo dito how what it looks, no? It looks like. So depende sa inyo yan. So ito yung dun sa working dito, for this particular video, itong image na yan, ito yan. No? Tapos sinwap lang natin yung face ni client. Tapos inayos ni AJ sa Canva to add the text here. Build your own custom chat GPT. So from here, paano mo naisip tong prompt na to is just, thinking, una nag-iisip muna talaga ako, paano ko ma-incorporate si client dun sa GPT, sa thumbnail. Depende sa mga images na gagawin ninyo, yung complexity ng process. I have to, the most frequent process that I use is sa ChatGPT, si DALL-E lang. Sasabihin ko kay DALL-E, ito yung newsletter ko, blah, blah, blah. Help me create a content. So, create an image. So, I'll demonstrate it. And then I discovered something here. I haven't showed you this one yet. But, nakadiscover ako ng way para mas magbigay ng mas magandang output from the hooks na naisip ni ChatGPT, yun yung ginagamit ko to generate the thumbnail. So let me give you an example here. And guys, this is not like a rule that you need to follow. Like, kapag di nyo finalo, mali yung gagawin nyo. No, but you can experiment, especially when it comes to generating images. But, wait lang. Yung doon sa ginawa natin sa Beehive, okay, puntahan ko na lang yung newsletter ni client. Meron ako dito, itong image na to. This image is generated from this prompt. Okay? Conventional banks are dropping the ball. And then yan yung binigay ni ChatGPT na image sa akin. So, kapag na-realize ko that if we are feeding too many words to ChatGPT, although matalino si DALL-E, mas marami siyang ini-incorporate na images. And one of the important elements ng images is it should tell a story, right? And it should have a focused element. Kumbaga, hindi lang siya combination ng kung ano-ano. Meron siyang ine-evoke na message and emotion. And the way we talk to this AI is evolving and it takes practice. So, practice lang kayo ng practice. It's good that you were able to generate images. Yung mga generate yung images, they're good, right? But if you really want to really challenge yourself and, itong image na to, is it like giving a storytelling? Is it showing emotion? No? So, try to play with the prompts. So, kung meron na kayong mga hooks na maganda, then the problem by sticking with outdated methods, 'di ba? It's like trying to run a race with broken leg, 'di ba? Ayan, so kunwari ito, parang dito kasi, since yung image nito kanina, conventional banks are dropping the ball. Ibig sabihin, meron siyang metaphor. May ball, dropping. So, merong imagery na pwedeng hindi lang random icons or whatsoever. But binibigyan natin si client or si AI ng imagery. So, if you're using hooks, this tool, then it will also give you, ideas to think what are the good prompts that you can use. So for example, sticking outdated methods, it's like run a race with the broken leg. So this one may imagery siya, right? So that's the one that I will use kunwari. So I'll just use a typical DALL-E, typical ChatGPT 4. Let's say create a 16:9 image about the problem about image with this idea. The problem is sticking with outdated methods, or maybe let's say the problem is outdated methods. It's like trying to run a race with the broken leg. Yan. And then, nabigay ko na sa kanya yung parang pinaka-idea, pupunta ako kay free flow. Isip ko, ano yung gusto kong idea. This time, hindi ko gagamitin si G-prompter, no? Kunwari, gusto ko itong color futuristic, let's say. So, copy ko tong prompt. And then, pabalik tayo doon. Alisin ko yan. And I want the style of digital art, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So let's wait for ChatGPT to create. And while we are waiting for that, let's see kung nagawa na ni SEO writing. Pinapagawa ko kanina. 71%. Okay. Score pala to. Tapos na siya. Okay, so ito, nagawa siya ng image. No? May mga key takeaways. Streamlined processing, enhancing leadership. So I have something to work on, right? I can just edit this. And kung pupuntahan natin yung WordPress, nandoon na din yan. So, i-edit ko na lang yan. No? I don't have to copy and paste. Pati yung images, image links, nandoon na din yung mga image links. I just have to process the images. Kung gusto ko yung images, ganyan. Kung gusto ko yung image, kakopy ko lang yung yung pinaka-prompt niya. Tapos, i-refine ko siya para mapunta siya dun sa prompt style na or image style na gusto ko. So, I'll refine the article further. Okay, so this is the image, right? So, yan. Based on description, outdated methods, yan. So, run a race. So, yun yung kinuha niyang imagery or metaphor, running a race with broken leg, ganyan. So, if this is something that you like, no, mas nagge-generate siya. Hindi lang yung may main focus ka, may main subject ka, and then meron kang ideas. This is something that I might consider, but, I might refine it further. But this is a starting process. That's how you create images. And as you can see, nilagay ko na yung 16:9 kasi sa newsletter is 16:9 yung ginagamit ko. Right? Okie dokie. So we've covered creating content. sa written, sa video, and sa images. Ang bottom line ng process natin is gather as many information as possible through the help of AI, and then find out what is the best as sa mga na-research nyo, select the best ones. And think about your audience. Magugustuhan ba to ng audience ko? That is a foundational principle that you should always consider. Gather as many assets, raw files, data as possible. Select. Yung pag-process, yung process ng pag-select, pagpili ng ano yung maganda sa hindi, it takes practice and also it takes testing. 'Di ba? Minsan yung maganda sa iyo is yun yung nagwo-work sa kanila. Minsan yung yung hindi maganda sa iyo nagwo-work sa kanila. Yung maganda para sa iyo hindi nagwo-work sa kanila. Trial and error, and you will only be able to do a trial and error if you are consistent. All right? So, ganun din sa mga pages natin. You really have to be consistent with what you're doing. All right. So, ilang oras na ako. Oh, 2 hours na pala. So, let's finish here. I'll take the time, the remaining 10 minutes to answer your questions, team. Answer any questions. Kung wala kang question, it's either hindi ka nakikinig, wala kang focus, or hindi ka nakafocus ka o wala ka lang maisip, you're not engaging your mind to think. O wala lang. So, I want to know, open your camera, team. I need to engage now with you. Let me know kung is this helpful? Like, are there actionable steps that you think you can implement to your process sa paggawa ng mga pages ninyo, sa paggawa ng case study presentation, ganyan. All right, who wants to go first? Wala? Okay, inom muna ako. Isip kayo dyan. Si Kix kasi nasa work pa yan eh. Uwi ka na ba, Kix? Uwian mo na ah. Ay, hindi. 7 pa pala. Tama ba? Mukhang may kausap pa siya. 1 PM pa lang. Ay, okay. Question, team. Wala? Type nyo sa GC kung wala. O ayaw nyong i-type yung wala. Sabi, ay, wala. Pag tinype ko yung wala, sabi niya daw nag-iisip. Char. Ano yun, mami? May sasabihin ka, mami?
May
Apo.
question ako.
Apo.
Kasi, anong tawag dito, yung sa sizes, pag halimbawang gagawa ka, kailangan talaga may standard size ba talaga para sa mga images tsaka sa mga photo, ganyan, yung mga ratio.
By default po
Pag
kasi,
post mo,
by default po kasi ang ChatGPT is generating 1024 by 1024. Kaya, kung ang thumbnail style mo is yung pa-landscape, 16 by 9 yun. So, ilagay mo na para hindi ka na magre-resize. Para din, yung i-generate ni AI is
AI.
ma-maximize niya yung buong space na yun. So, I really recommend that you put the aspect ratio or yung dimension nung image po.
Yung image,
Every
okay.
time. Yes.
Sa video rin ba, ganun din? 16 by 9.
Sa video, sa YouTube videos po.
Opo.
O 16 by 9 din po yun.
Okay. Thank you so much.
I-ano
Yun lang.
nyo lang, mami. Alimbawa, yung video sa Facebook, iba yon. Iba din yung dimension ng video sa LinkedIn. Pwedeng square
Okay
sa
po.
LinkedIn yan. Opo. Check nyo lang po.
Doon ako nalilito eh.
Opo, i-google
Kasi
nyo
minsan,
lang.
hindi kasi minsan na ano ko rin, yung pinopost ko sa parang hindi nagkakasya sa screen, mas lalo sa sa cellphone. Pag halimbawang i-watch mo siya ganun.
Opo.
Kaya
That's why,
inaano ko yung right
That's
standard.
Opo, that's why, mommy, it's important sa pag-create ng content is you have to consume and observe as many content as possible. 'Di ba yung sinagawa natin na brain dumping? Kumuha ka ng maraming content na ginagawa ng mga tao and find inspiration from it. Tapos makikita mo ano yung mga nagwo-work, 'di ba? Research muna talaga before gumawa. But I'm not saying minsan kasi naman sobrang kaka-research hindi na nakakagawa ng content, 'di ba? So it's really a matter of knowing what to do first and then implementing what you have learned. Okidoki.
Okay, thank you.
All right. How about others? Questions? Wala. I-type nyo kung wala. Kung wala na talaga, so we can end.
Last question. Ako ulit may last question. Kasi si Naklis oh. May tanong yan, ayaw niya lang itanong.
Iniisip ko pa.
Hindi
Sige,
kasi
ma'am.
yung sa may copywriting, paano kung let's say, kunyari, anong tawag dito, kung susundin namin yung method nung, kunyari lang, susundan namin yung process at saka yung method na ginagawa mo. And then yung ibang tools kunyari talagang kailangan ng anong tawag dito? Kailangan may bayad syempre. So pwede ba kami or ako kunyari meron ako nakitang isang tool na pwedeng free siya na gamitin para sa copywriting. Though syempre yung quality kasi siguro magkaiba, 'di ba? Parang yung ibibigay na data nung ChatGPT or yung mas upgraded compare mo sa free plan, yung ganun. Is okay na rin kaya yun?
Wala ka naman
Pwede
choice.
na rin gamitin
Wala ka
yun?
naman choice, mami. So, yun talaga yung gagamitin mo. That's why
So,
it's
yun talaga,
important.
no?
That's why it's important. Alam nyo kung ano yung functionality na ginagamit ko for that particular tool so that you can find other tools na mas available. Pwede po yun.
Okay, thank you. Yun lang.
Okay.
Tanong ka na, Naklis.
Yun na yung yung tinanong mo, yung sa mga tools. Kasi, yun nga po, Miss Lau, ano ba yung recommended mo sa amin? Dapat talaga na mag-subscribe kami dun sa sa ChatGPT 4 ba yun para ma-hands-on talaga namin lalo na lalo na sa amin na naghahanap pa kami ng client para ma-experience namin paano yung sa content creation. Kasi yun yung struggle ko din. Yung sa content creation, hindi ko kaya na ako lang yung generate ng content. At saka si ChatGPT kasi, yung free, minsan, yung mga niya, yung mga sinasuggest niya minsan ng mga ideas, parang kung mababasa ko dun sa ibang content, parang magkaparehas na kami ng ng mga wordings na ginamit.
Right. Okay. To answer your question, it's not advisable kung sa inyo lang and wala pa kayong client because it will cost you money. Right? Dito talaga matetest yung galing nyo sa prompting. Yung i-squeeze nyo si ChatGPT hanggang sa mag-produce siya ng magandang result. I started that way. Wala akong subscription dati. Tapos, wala pa din, nag-pay ako ng subscription ko for a specific amount of time nung na-handle ko na yung ChatGPT. Like, meron akong specific na gagawin kaya ako nag-plus agad because may gusto ko talaga akong i-test. Pero, yung kapag gawa ko ng content, for example, sa page ko lang naman, 'di ba? I'm not going to advise you to pay for that. Kasi si client yung nagbabayad ng ChatGPT ko. Kasi ginagawa kong content para sa kanya. But kung ang purpose mo is mag-aral, and you can afford it, why not? Right? Pero kung hindi afford, wag mong pilitin.
Hindi afford.
If can't afford, diba? And then here's the thing, I really want to develop tools that will make it available sa inyo team. I'm still developing on that. Yung mga ChatGPT na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, yung sa SEO, yung sa keywords, I would like to make that available sa inyo. But it's not available yet right now kasi I'm still developing it. But in the future, magkaroon kayo ng access dyan. Pero for starting point, yung Ahrefs, may mga free tools yan. Hanapin nyo yung mga Ahrefs free tool. Hanapin nyo yung pumunta kayo sa H-Educate ba yun? May mga free tools din yun. Basta maghanap kayo ng mga free tools muna para ma-test ninyo. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate something here. This is free one. Magki-create lang kayo ng free ng account. May mga free marketing tools si Hassan. Si Hassan to. Siya yung nagturo sa akin ng prompt engineering.
Learn with
Ito.
Hassan.
For example, ito, AI-powered SEO analyzer. So, ito, kunwari, i-analyze nyo yung article, pwede nyo yan gamitin. Ito naman, keyword research, image generator, YouTube title, blog, yan. Marami ba siyang mga tools dito, pwede nyo i-take advantage. But, let's say, credit risk. Pwede nyo na din naman to. As long as you know the functionality na ginagamit, ginagawa, you will be able to find free tools. Don't rely on me. Galingan nyo yung paghahanap ng mga free tools. Kasi maraming free tools, maraming nagbibigay ng mga free trial na mga ganyan. So, you can go and find other tools. Yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, yung product hunt. Yung product hunt, yan yung mga parang nagbibigay yan ng, ito, may mga bagong tool. And normally, meron silang mga pa-free tools. Powerful website. Ayan, maghanap lang kayo dyan. Normally, meron yung mga free tools. Maghanap lang kayo. And then, find the way, understand kung ano yung functionality and find other tools that can do that. I promise you guys, hindi pwedeng walang tool na tutulong sa inyo to perform your task. Imposibleng wala kayong mahahanap na free tool. Kasi hindi lang ChatGPT, Midjourney, yung mga nandiyan na pwede nyong gamitin. You really have to dig deep. Pero yun nga, kung may budget, diba, why not? Kung wala, magtiis muna. Ganon din naman yung ginawa ko nun dati. Pero ang purpose ko din kasi talaga nun is mag-exhaust ako ng mga free stuff bago pa ako nag-purchase. Tsaka pag kaya na ng budget, no? Hopefully, maayos ko yung mga tools na gagawin ko para I can make it available sa inyo. But, yeah, we'll see. Kasi it will really cost may API cost kasi yon. So, kung ipapagamit natin yan, of course, yung paggamit nyo is may bayad yun, 'di ba? And I'll be the one paying for it. So, I still have to do some testing and checking sa mga APIs na ginagawa. Pero, yeah, it's something that I have to consider. Ang best way is find a client and then let the client pay for it. Yung finding a client, kayang-kaya nyo yung solusyonan. Alright? Hanapin nyo yung mga client na yan. Galingan nyo sa interview nyo. Galingan nyo sa mga kailangan yung i-focus. Kasi kapag nakahanap kayo ng client, it will solve a lot of problems that you're thinking right now. Tools, access, training ground, paano nyo mapapractice, yun yung kailangan nyo. So, find a client. Okay? Ayan. Other questions? Nakikinig ba yung iba? I'm not sure if you guys are still here. Nakikita ko lang si Mommy MJ at saka si Liz. How about others? Si Abby nagwo-work yan eh. Pero nagchat-chat pa rin. Mami Rocky, liga dito. What's your question? Unmute ka, di kita madinig.
Ako naman, mami. Ako naman, miss ka. Sorry. Wala pa akong questions right now. But then, nire-recall ko lang yung before tayo mag-start. Kasi, looking at the comparison, yung processes nga ngayon, na-realize ko. Kasi before tayo mag-start, na preference ko nga is in newsletter, di ba?
Mhm.
And then I remember Abby mentioned about tawag ito, i-choose niya yung sa designing because dito sa side ng using ChatGPT is parang for her is much easier dito kasi nga more on image siya or more on creativity si Miss Abby. I realized that hindi ganun may complexity rin pala yung process in doing talaga especially doing these prompts. So it's not easy na mag-feed ka lang nung gusto mong inquire kay ChatGPT. So there are really processes that we need to feed na para ma-achieve natin yung result na gusto natin.
Exactly. And depende yan sa yo. Kasi yung process ko, nagwo-work sa akin, kumbaga, may kailangan lang akong malaman na information, tapos magti-trigger na yan sa utak ko na, ito gawin ko. Right? And then, magaganda yung output na Pero sa inyo, minsan yung words na nandiyan na is hindi nagti-trigger sa inyo ng creativity nyo. That's why you cannot think, right? That's why when people say that AI is teaching you to be lazy, making you stupid, whatever, it's not real because AI will still depend on your creativity and critical thinking skills. Kaya nga yung mga image na nag-generate na magaganda is because alam niya yung elements ng striking image, right? Yung merong metaphor and may emotion and storytelling kasi nag-iisip pa din. So, how you will arrive with the right content, prompts, diba? Then, yun yung challenge. Pero yun nga, yung para sa starting point is use free flow. Kung ano yung nakikita nyong, ganito yung look ng image na gusto ko. Tapos lagyan nyo lang siya ng subject or whatever, palitan nyo yung subject. And then you have a starting point, right? Then you can edit and move forward with other complex image generating tasks. Pero you have a starting point kasi people don't know free flow, right? People don't know how to use gPrompter, right? So you guys have an edge. Kung ako nga, right now, wala akong client. What I will do is I will PM as many potential clients that I can PM. I'll create content for them kahit wala pa silang bayad because that's the starting point. Alam mo yun, nakakapag-practice ako tapos nakaka-move forward ako step by step dun sa goal ko which is to find the client. So, it's really about you guys practicing it para makagawa kayo ng mas magandang images in the future. Okie dokie.
Yes.
Other questions? Wala na. Sino pa ba nandito dito? 9 tayo eh. Si Kat mukhang listening mode din. Sandra listening mode. Okay. Mukhang wala na. So since, Beb, ikaw, may question ka ba? O busy ka sa work dyan? Nakamute ka. Nagsasalita ka ba? Madami. Anong question mo? Go. You're welcome, Sandra. This is helpful, team, sa inyo. Sige, kung walang question, ano yung actionable na gagawin ninyo? Hanap ng client. Hanap mo na ng client. Row 4 ako, absent ng matagal. Okay. Yes, mag-apply lang kayo ng mag-apply. You have to really find a client para ma-sustain nyo yung mga ano nyo. Sabi ni AJ, huwag kayong matakot at mahiya, guys. Gawin nyo lang yung pag-a-apply. And, minsan kasi, tayo lang din yung nagsasabotahe ng mga plano natin eh. Kasi, ang dami nating fino-focus na hindi importante. Yung importante lang muna. Okay? Yung kung paano nyo i-deal yung client, andito ako, tanungin nyo yung mga kaswag nyo, kakuha na ako ng client, paano to? Ganito, di ba? Pero syempre, i-nail nyo muna yung application nyo. Ayusin yung mga profile nyo, yung paggawa yung cover letter, di ba? Tapos, interview, ayun. Yun yung pag-focusan natin. Okay? Tsaka yung mga pages ninyo, kasi may case study presentation tayo. I-record nyo na lang, guys. Hindi ko na kayo pahihirapan. I-record nyo na lang, i-submit nyo before tayong mag-Christmas party. Tapos, yung Christmas party is also the graduation party. Okay? Yung mga gumagawa ng client task ngayon, si Mami Rocky, si Liz, at saka si Abby. We haven't started yet. Kasi I have to do this training muna para magkaroon sila ng idea. And then, sila yung bibigyan ko ng access sa mga tools. Okay? Since wala na tayong question, mag-picture na tayo. Same deadline pa rin po yung mga nasa bunutan. No na. Okay? I'm making it easy for everyone. Basta lahat kayo before tayo mag-Christmas party, which is December. Ano yung sinabi kong Christmas party natin? December. Kasi inisip ko kung yung image lang hindi nyo nagawa, paano pa yung yung mga client task, guys. Ay, ako lang may stress sa inyo. So, kayo na bahala dyan. December 16 kasi tapos na tayo dapat. So, you have 2 weeks to work on your case study presentation. I think that's enough time. Right? Before December 16 pala is Saturday, no? So, magki-Christmas party tayo ng December 15. Tentatively, December 15. Kasi dapat December 16 tapos na tayo. Simbang gabi nyo na yan. Diba? So, dapat na kayo, chill na lang kayo. And then next year, I'll start a new internship program. No? Hindi ko pa alam kung kailan, but yun. Next year na ulit tayo magkikita-kita. Kung feel nyo pang sasali pa kayo, wala nang katapusan ng pag-intern nyo, guys. Ayan. Picture tayo. Abby, love. Asan na si Kat? Sandra, picture muna. Then we will end in prayer. Wala? Ayan. Okay. Hi, Kat. Mukhang nagja-jogging si Kat, ah. Pauwi pa lang. Ayan. Okay. Wala si Sandra. Okay, si Abby wala. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okidoki. Thank you, team, for your time. And i-send ko na lang yung recording. And then I'll see you all sa case study presentations ninyo. If there is a new tutorial that I will share, I might have another meeting like this. Okay? But wala pa akong schedule for now. I'll keep you updated. Bye,
Miss
team.
La, may tanong
Thank you,
lang
Miss
ako.
La.
Oh, sige, may question ka na. Okay.
Yeah,
Ano po ba yung Christmas party? Virtual or
Ayan na, virtual lang kasi nga hindi ka makakasama, layo mo. Gusto niyo ba
akala ko?
gusto niyo ba mag-exchange gifts o wag na? Pero parang mas maganda siguro yung ano tayo, yung
Ayun.
tawag diyan, yung ano, yung order tayo ng food. Tas pare-pareho tayo ng food. Para lang may common. O gusto niyo mag-costume. O gusto niyo mag-costume
Costume.
tayo.
Maganda rin po yun. Oo, may team.
maganda rin yung may
Tayo.
costume.
Wear something, wear something. Dati kasi, ano ba yung Bev ginawa natin? Wear something red ba? Red ba yun? O gusto nyo naka-Christmas costume tayo?
Ayan, costume daw. Si Miss Lovely, costume daw po.
Wear something red.
Gusto ko yung gusto ko yung talagang nag-costume. Mamaya, naglagay lang kayo ng lipstick ng kung ano, may puso lang kayo dito sa pisngi. Dapat yung costume talaga. Ako magpapakulay ako ng buhok. Char lang. Joke lang. Pero costume. May costume tayo. Para noon maganda sa picture, di ba? Talaga nag-party tayo. Ha-aura kayo ng konti, di ba? Si Mami MJ, magsa-stockings yan ng yung mga pang malakasang stockings, ganyan, di ba?
Lingerie.
Lakas, di ba? Ayun. Basta mag-costume siguro tayo. Mag-a-ask ako ng picture ng mga susuotin nyo sa costume. Deadline, tapos yan. Para siguradong may susuotin kayo. Red lipstick. Fishnet, yes. Fishnet, mga ganyan. Yun lang. Wala nang question? Okay na?
Okay na po.
Baka parang may iniisip pa si Liz eh. Liz, sige na. Spit it out. Wala na, okay na? Sabi ni Liz, kala ko lilipad pa naman ako ng Manila para makapag-Christmas party. O kami na lang pupunta ng Davao. Sana, no? Saya sana nun eh. Pero yun nga. Kasi mamaya mag-Christmas party kami, hindi naman makakasama lahat. May inggit lang si Liz, diba? Saka si Kix, di siya makasama. Hindi na naman siya kasali, diba? Sige. Virtual na lang tayo, then mag-costume tayo. Tapos, before our Christmas party, make sure you submit your case study presentations. Mamimili ako kung alin yung ipapublish ko sa group. And then that. Okay? Yun lang, team. Ay, mag-pray pala tayo. Sorry. Heavenly Father, Lord, thank you for this day na binigyan niyo po ako, Lord, ng kalakasan, maayos na kalusugan, Panginoon, pagkakataon, and joy, Lord, to share knowledge, to share my learnings and my love and energy sa interns 2023, Lord. So, maraming salamat, Lord, because you are faithful, Lord, and you are blessing us more than what we deserve. Bagamat kami mga may pagkukulang, shortcomings, kasalanan, Lord, you are blessing us with love and friendship and health and safe place to live, Lord. Maraming salamat dahil sa gitna, Lord, ng mga kalamidad, maraming mga bahay na nabobomba, terrorism, and maraming klase, Lord, ng crimes and catastrophes. Lord, you are protecting us, Lord, from these things. And we have the luxury, Lord, to study, to eat, to sleep without thinking if we will leave tomorrow, God. And it's such a huge blessing, Lord. And we neglect, Lord, yung mga blessings na yun. And patawarin niyo po kami, Lord, if we are not thankful. And if we fail, Lord, to thank you the way we should thank you, Lord. So, and also, Lord, I pray then sa mga natutunan namin today, I pray na kayo po yung mag-enable sa amin to have the ability, opportunity, and the desire to really hone our skills, to find clients, Lord, and ma-overcome namin, Lord, yung mga hindi namin kayang gawin or yung mga iniisip namin na hindi namin kayang gawin. Kayo po yung tumulong sa amin, Lord, to overcome it. Pinapanalangin ko din, Lord, yung mami ni Kim, yung si Mami Rox, yung mga may sakit, Panginoon. Pakagabayan niyo po sila, Lord, and make use of their situation as a blessing, Lord, and stretch their faith, Lord, na makita po kayo despite the sufferings and challenges that they are having right now. And sa amin po, Panginoon, na meron din kaming mga challenges, not as big as theirs, but it is also a challenge deep within our hearts, God. I pray that we will lift it up to you. We will not be prideful, Lord, na kaya naming isolve yung mga problema on our own. But I pray that we will have humility to accept, Lord, that we are just a dust. We're nothing in this vast universe na kinreate niya, Lord. So give us that humility, Lord, to look at ourselves small, but at the same time, loved by a great God. Maraming salamat, Lord, sa araw na to. I pray that you will use us to be a blessing to others, no matter how small our actions may be. Make it big, Lord, with a genuine love that's coming from you, flowing through other people, Lord. Maraming salamat sa wisdom, Lord, na binibigay niyo po sa amin at kalakasan to feel your love and to love other people. This is our prayer in Jesus' name. Amen. Okie dokie. I'll see you kapag nag-training tayo ulit, but I'm looking forward sa mga case study presentations ninyo, sa mga pages ninyo. Make sure na ready siya before December 16. Okay? And mag-prepare kayo para sa Christmas party costumes natin. Alright? Ang theme lang natin is Christmas. Okay? Basta mukha kayong Christmas, okay? Kahit magmukha kayong Christmas tree o ornament o kung ano, basta dapat may effort, okay? Hindi lang yung parang napadaan lang kayo, ay, Christmas party, ganyan. Hindi pwede, mag-prepare kayo ng costume nyo. Okay? Bye, team. Ay, kasi mamimili tayo ng best costume. Sasendan natin ng GCash yung mananalo. Lahat tayo. Alright? So, hindi lang ako kasi maubos yung pera ko, diba? Char.
May sponsors.
Yes. Dapat lahat tayo, we can agree on whatever amount. No? So, para naman ma-inspire kayo to level up your game sa costume. Okay? Bye, team.
Thank you, Miss La.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. God bless everyone.
God bless po.
Bye-bye.
Bye. God bless
Bye-bye.
po. Bye-bye.